It was a calm and gentle evening when little Noor sat by the window, watching the soft, fading glow of the sky. In her home, a small lantern was lit every Ramadan night, filling the room with a warm, golden light that felt peaceful and comforting. Noor softly asked her mother why they lit the lantern every day. Her mother smiled and explained that the lantern was a reminder that even the smallest act of kindness can bring light into someone's darkest moments. The next morning, her father opened the Zakat box, filled with food, clothes, and some money prepared for those in need. Noor lovingly handed the basket to a lonely elderly woman whose eyes filled with grateful tears. In that moment, Noor felt a warm glow in her heart, a quiet happiness she had never felt before. That night, she gently placed her favorite toy into the Zakat box, hoping it would make another child smile. The lantern seemed to shine brighter, as if her small act of giving had filled their home with unseen blessings and peace.